If you're a teenager in 2026 and your entire money plan is wait for allowance or hope my parents pay, you're already behind. Not because you're stupid, but because nobody bothered to teach you how the money game actually works. This video is not 10 easy ways to make money as a teen. You've heard those already. Take surveys, sell old clothes, walk dogs, do random gigs. If that worked, every teenager would be rich by now. This video is about something else. How to stop thinking like a broke teenager and start thinking like someone who understands money. Even if you're starting with zero. Let's decode it in 3 levels. Level 1, stop being financially asleep. Level 2, build money you control. Level 3, become a young investor, not a gambler. If you stay until the end, you won't just have ideas. You'll have a simple blueprint you can repeat every month. Level 1, stop being financially asleep. First question, do you know exactly how much money came in and went out last month? If the answer is no, you're not broke, you're blind. Being financially asleep means you don't track anything. You don't know where your money goes. You only feel rich or broke emotionally, not with numbers. So step 1 is brutal but simple. For the next 30 days, write down every euro, dollar, or pound that comes in and every single thing you spend on. Not to feel guilty, to see the pattern. Because here's the truth. You can't make money if you still leak everything you touch. The first money skill is not earning, it's awareness. Once you see the pattern, cut one stupid thing you don't actually care about. Not everything, just one. That gap you create is your first money to use on purpose, not by accident. That small gap is what moves you to level 2. Level 2, build money you control, from zero to something. Now you're not fully asleep. Good. Next question. What can you do that gives you control over how much you earn? Notice, this is not find a hack, it's find a skill. Think of one simple rule. You get paid in proportion to how big of a problem you solve and how annoying that problem is for someone else. For some people, the annoying problem is, I don't have time to post online. For others, my videos look terrible. For others, I have a great product but zero idea how to talk about it. Your job isn't to invent the next big app. Your job is to pick one annoying problem and become the go-to person for that in your small world. Examples. You notice your local barbershop posts once every 2 months. You walk in and say, I can film you for 20 minutes once a week and turn it into 3 short videos that make you look busy and booked. If you like the first week, you pay me to keep doing it. You have friends who create content but hate editing. You say, you send me raw video, I send you ready-to-post clips. You pay me per video or per month. A relative has a small business and no clue how to write a simple offer. You say, I'll rewrite your texts, organize your posts, and make you look professional online for a small monthly fee. You're not just a teenager. You're someone who solves a specific money problem for other people. Your target is simple. Get to the point where you make any consistent money that is directly linked to your effort, not just to your age. Even 100 to 300 a month changes everything, because now you have something most teenagers never get. Income you can actually direct, and that takes you to level 3. Level 3, become a young investor, not a gambler. Here's where most teenagers, and honestly, most adults, blow it. They finally get some money and immediately spend it all on stuff to impress people, or throw it into random crypto and meme stocks because of a TikTok video. That's not investing. That's emotional gambling with a nice interface. If you want to be different, use a simple framework. Rule 1. Keep a small safety buffer so you don't panic every time something happens. Rule 2. Decide a fixed tiny percentage of your monthly income you will invest, even if that's the price of one takeaway meal. Rule 3. Before you put money anywhere, understand what it actually is. Stock equals tiny ownership in a business. ETF equals basket of many companies. Crypto equals digital assets with high volatility and high risk. Rule 4. Your first goal is not get rich. Your first goal is never blow up. You don't need to chase every opportunity. You need a boring habit. Every month, a piece of your money leaves the spend world and enters the own world. Imagine this. While most teenagers are upgrading their phone every year and staying broke, you're upgrading your ownership every year and slowly killing the word broke from your future. That's the mindset of someone who has decoded the money game early. The simple money decode mindset. Most channels will keep giving you lists, 10 side hustles, 5 websites that pay you, 3 apps to make money. This channel is different. Here, the idea is simple. Wake up financially. Build money you actually control. Then train that money to work for you, instead of you chasing it forever. You don't need permission from anyone to start. You don't need thousands to begin investing. You don't need to wait until you're older to understand this. You just need to decide that from today, you're done acting like money is a mystery. You're here to decode it. This is not financial advice. It's an invitation. Start playing the long game with money while everyone else is still chasing quick wins.